The Homgava Collapsible Folding Wagon is a game-changer for anyone who needs a reliable and convenient way to transport heavy loads. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, gardening, or simply running errands, this foldable utility cart is designed to make your life easier. One of its standout features is its large capacity. With a spacious interior, it can hold everything from groceries to outdoor gear, making it ideal for a variety of uses. The sturdy frame and durable fabric ensure that it can handle heavy loads without compromising on stability. The all-terrain wheels make maneuvering a breeze. Whether you're pulling it across sand, gravel, grass, or pavement, the wheels glide smoothly, reducing strain and effort. The adjustable handle allows for a comfortable grip, ensuring easy navigation through different environments. A key benefit of this wagon is its collapsible design. It folds up quickly and compactly, making it easy to store in your car trunk, garage, or closet. Despite its heavy-duty build, it remains lightweight enough for effortless portability. This wagon is perfect for camping trips, outdoor events, picnics, and even grocery shopping. It eliminates the hassle of carrying multiple bags, allowing you to transport everything in one go. If you're looking for a durable, versatile, and easy-to-use utility cart, this collapsible folding wagon is a must-have. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today.